The nature of the mind and the body is such, even the simplest processes of life could be greatly entangling. Simple things. Getting up in the morning, turning up the blinds, brushing your teeth, using the toilet, breakfast. If you work. Whatever, these little things can be highly entangling. From the moment they wake up to the time they are finishing their breakfast, which is usually just a question of an hour or two, many people are at the peak of agitation. Isn't it so? Yes? Nothing has happened yet, no calamities have struck yet, you haven't met your boss yet,